Welcome to another lecture by Pragmatic Programming. In today's lecture, we will be discussing Java arrays. So, what are arrays in Java? Java provides a data structure, the array, which stores a fixed size sequential collection of elements of the same type. So, here the keywords you should note are fixed size, sequential collection, and same type. So, an array is used to store a collection of data, but it's often more useful to think of an array as a collection of variables of the same type. So, instead of declaring individual variables such as number 0, number 1, number 2, number 3 up to number 99 so on, you can simply declare an array variable and we can store 100 numbers inside that array instead of having 100 variables. So, that is where arrays come in handy. What you should notice again is fixed size, unlike the other collections. That is why this does not belong in the collections framework. So, moving on, how to declare an array. So, to use an array in a program, you must declare a variable to the reference of the array, and you must specify the type of array the variable can reference. So, this is the preferred way, where you put the data type, 2 square brackets, and the array reference variable name. This will also work where you have the data type, then the array reference variable name, and after the array reference variable name we have put the 2 square brackets. Technically this will work, but this is the first method is the preferred way. So, creating arrays, you can create an array by using the new operator. So, simply you can use a new operator, put the data type and the array size, and you can assign it to the array reference variable. When it comes to declaring the array variable and assigning the reference, this can be done in one statement. So, as you can see here, we write the data type, put the square brackets, and we give a name for the array reference variable. Next, we straight away equate it to the new data type and we write the array size. So, we declare the array variable, we create an array and we assign the reference of the array to the variable all in one line. We can also declare the array variable and assign the values in the same line. So, what happens here is again we declare the array reference variable and we declare the data type and so on, and instead of saying new data type and the size, we just straight away give the values. Java will automatically recognize the data type and the size of the array. This way the array already has all the values. We don't have to separately assign the values one by one. So, how to access elements of an array? So, the simplest way is to give the array name and the index. The index should be within square brackets. When it comes to processing arrays, we often use either a for loop or for each loop because all the elements in an array are of the same type and size of the array. So, arrays, let's move on. Multidimensional arrays. So, multidimensional array is an array of arrays. That is, each element of a multidimensional array is an array itself. So, here we have, this is a 2D array. So, here we have declared an array within an array. So, we have two arrays within one array here in this example. So, that brings us to the end of this lecture. Thank you very much for listening. Hope to see you with a new lecture soon.